Hey guys, this is Kinjal and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video from Nuwara Eliya, which is often referred to as the Little England of Sri Lanka. This town is often known for its cool climate, colonial-era architecture and stunning landscapes offered because of the gorgeous tea plantations. We are here only for one night before we head to Ella via the Nuwara to Ella Scenic train. But before that, let's see what this beautiful town of Nuwara Eliya has to offer. Let's get right into the video. On our way to Nuwara Eliya from Kandy, we wanted to visit the Ambuluwawa Tower located in Gampola. It takes around 1 hour to reach Ambuluwawa Tower from Kandy, and the driver will have to drop you around 3 kilometers away from the main tower. From there, you need to take a tuk-tuk which will take around 1500 LKR for a return journey. The entrance fee for Ambuluwawa Tower Temple is 2000 LKR per person. At the summit, the Ambuluwawa Tower stands tall, offering a 360-degree view of the landscape which is breathtaking. The tower itself is a marvel with a spiral staircase that narrows as you ascend, adding a bit of a thrill to the 48-meter climb. Due to this, Ambuluwawa Tower is a notable architectural landmark and a popular tourist attraction in the region. We did not go all the way up as we were short on time and had to reach the Bhakta Hanuman Temple before it closed around noon. We travelled for another hour and reached the Bhakta Hanuman Temple in Ramboda. This Hanuman Temple was constructed in the year 1999, and it is believed that this was the place where Lord Hanuman took rest while on his way to search Seetha. Visitors can witness the 18-feet Hanuman statue, which is the tallest Hanuman statue in Sri Lanka, established inside this temple. The temple is closed in the afternoon, so plan your travel accordingly. In the temple premises, there is a restaurant named Annapurni where visitors can have a good pure veg sattvic meal. We had lunch there and it was one of our best meals in Sri Lanka. From here, we head straight to Nuwara Eliya and you can see the climate and surroundings changing into a hill station. You will witness many tea estates during your journey, and we visited one of the tea factories on our way. This establishment invites you to explore the intricate process of Ceylon tea production, from hand-picking the finest leaves to modern machinery used in processing. Witness the craftsmanship behind this beloved beverage. At the end of the tour, they offered a tasting session for the wide variety of tea options they had. You can also buy tea which they offer in different forms and packaging, which is suitable for personal use as well as for gifting. All around Nuwara Eliya, you will witness lush green tree plantations, and you can take a pit stop anywhere to take some beautiful pictures. Nuwara Eliya will be very cold compared to other places in Sri Lanka, so make sure to carry some extra layers of clothes. It's now time to immerse into the amazing climate of this hill station. You will see the colourful town of Nuwara Eliya from a distance and drive around the Lake Gregory before reaching the city centre. Now we are in the heart of Nuwara Eliya city, exploring one of its most iconic landmarks, the Nuwara Eliya Post Office. This colonial-era red brick building is one of the oldest in Sri Lanka and adds to the old world charm of the city. We sent postcards to a few friends in India and they received them within 7 to 10 days. They make for some really amazing personalized souvenirs. Apart from tea, you can buy some local printed shirts and garments from the neighboring market. Since it was still pretty sunny, we still had time to visit the heart of Nuwara area, that is Lake Gregory. We went boating at Lake Gregory. This man-made lake is perfect for a relaxing boat ride and the surrounding landscape is straight out of a postcard. This is such a peaceful experience. Whether you chose a swan boat or a speedboat, you're in for a treat with gorgeous views all around, witnessing a town that resembles the British countryside. The motorboat cost is 6,000 LKR per boat, which can accommodate 4 to 6 people easily. You will also see a section of the lake that is developed for tourists and has some shops and food joints. Time to check into our stay for the night, the Highland Stonehouse, a cozy retreat in the hills. This place has a beautiful rustic charm and the cool weather makes it even more inviting. Let's check out the room now. We had booked a deluxe double room without breakfast and upon check-in, they upgraded us to a duplex family room. An amazing restaurant for breakfast in Nuwara Eliya is Ambal's Pure Veg, which is in the main market area. Since it is a boutique hotel, it had a beautiful living area where you can sit and admire the view or have a game of foosball or pool on the higher floor. Our morning started with a visit to the iconic Seetha Amman Temple, a place of mythological significance. This temple is believed to be where goddess Seetha was held captive by Ravana in the Ramayana. It is the only temple dedicated to Seetha Ma in the neighboring country. Also known as Seetha Amman Temple, this temple is a must-visit religious site in Sri Lanka. This temple was also a shooting location for the famous Bollywood movie Singham Again. Such a fascinating blend of history, mythology and cinema. Near the temple runs a stream which is said to have been formed to meet the needs of Sita Devi during her captivity at Ashokvatika. It is believed that Sita bathed in this stream. On the rock face across the stream, there are circular depressions which are regarded as the footprints of Hanuman. So we have some time to kill before we head to Nuwara for taking our train. So we have come to Lake Gregory and we'll be exploring this place for some time. So let's see. It's a very beautiful place actually, and the climate is also quite good, as you can see behind me. Lake Gregory isn't just for boating. You can go horse riding, have a relaxing stroll, or even enjoy a picnic by the lake. The entry fees for pedestrian visitors is 600 LKR per person. Adventure enthusiasts can also take a jet boat ride in this lake. So that was all the stuff we did at Nuwara Eliya, and my favorite place would definitely be Lake Gregory. The view, the climate was just amazing. So if you are coming to Sri Lanka, do not miss Nuwara Eliya at all. From here we'll be heading to Nuwara to catch our train to Ella, and I will see you in another video from Ella. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in another video very soon. Until then, goodbye.